Hey everyone, CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over our 18-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit for the 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra. This kit lets you mount one of our 18-inch light bars behind the lower grille of your Tundra using heavy-duty stainless steel brackets for perfect fitment while maintaining a clean OEM style. Not only that, but you'll get a ton of additional light output to see any obstacles on the trail ahead thanks to the patented Stage Series technology inside our light bars. The high-intensity output is harnessed by our custom-engineered TIR optics, ensuring the light output is directed exactly where you want it without any stray or wasted light. We offer this kit in either our Brilliant Amber or 6000K Cool White output with our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange in a focused rectangular pattern while adding additional fill light directly in front of the vehicle. Our 18-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit was designed right here in the US by our engineering team to bolt on directly to existing mounting locations without any cutting or drilling for an easy bolt-on installation. The brackets included are made of thick gauge heavy-duty stainless steel featuring a durable powder-coated finish for maximum longevity no matter the elements. Wiring is easy and intuitive. A harness is included that plugs right into the Deutsch-style connector on the light bar. Each kit can be controlled with the included toggle switch, or if you have an aftermarket auxiliary bank, you can easily connect to it using our included adapter. Our Stage Series kits are designed by our team right here in the US and are backed by an 8-year warranty. If you're looking to pick up an 18-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.